All right, so as you can see over here, right, on my screen, I had $45,234. I had some refunds, as you can see, only $500. But what am I doing, right? The first of all, like if I go in dating niche or health and weight loss or manifestation space, what I understand is the audience, right? Who is my audience? So all this you can do this one was done in a month, in 30 days. Now, what is most important thing is to understand your audience very well, okay? So for example, you don't have to make any crazy, unbelievable claims when you're promoting any diabetes offer, dating, manifestation, right? Because you have low emotional states, you have high emotional states market, right? So low emotional states people are usually the ones who are watching those Clickbank 45 minutes long VSLs. So they will watch this. Why? Because they know they're helpless, right? Now it's up to you that you provide them with an honest product. It's actually going to help them at the end of the day, right? You should care about that as well. But with that said, there are ways that you can make really, really good money. I'm talking about $10,000 to $30,000 per month, $20,000 per month in profit on Clickbank or MaxWeb. It doesn't matter, right? It's just affiliate network. But at the end of the day, it comes down to average order value, competing on the economics, right? And once you can make more than, let's say, $50 to $200 in upsell take rate commissions, you can make really, really good money. Okay, like you can make just 2 sales, 3 sales per day. Now you have super affiliates making thousands of sales per month or day. Okay, so now let's not go there. Your goal is to go from $10,000 to $30,000 per month, for example, right? In this case, you need only 1 to 3 to 4 sales a day. Now this is totally doable, right? You don't have to be a pro or rocket scientist to realize that if you can make $100 a day, you can make $300 a day or $500 a day, right? And once you're running ads, you can slowly cut cost per click down by actually managing your ads, making them more digestible to the human eye, right? So when people are scrolling on Facebook ads or YouTube or Google, right, you make it more digestible, your text, right? So all this I'm teaching and showing you how to do. Anatomy of ads, structure of ads, psychology of ads, all right? Promoting to females, males, all this matters, right? And again, it's simple once you get it, okay? At first maybe seem very complicated, but once you get it, it's very simple and you realize I'm giving you a huge opportunity here. Because if you can start today or tomorrow and in 30 days from now or 20 days from now, make your first, I don't know, $5,000 in profit, $15,000 in profit, you will quickly begin to realize that heck, what you were doing, procrastinating months and months, trying to do something that didn't work out, right? Now you have a chance. You can just dismiss this video or you can ask me any questions you want, right? And let me know, okay? But yes, I hope it helps you to understand that there is the opportunity out there. You just have to take action and do what actually works, all right? Because if you knew how to make $10,000 or more per month, you would have already done it. But because you don't know, right? And the reason why, because you don't know, is because you don't have some kind of support system in place. You don't understand what puzzles are missing, right? What puzzles are missing? It's not expensive software or AI voices, so because if that would be true, then everyone would make a lot of money on Clickbank, right? It's not that. It's understanding your audience. It's understanding structure of ads, what questions to use in your ads, what targeting to use, right? And once you do this, yes, then you will be able to get the results. Now again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Okay, I'm open. You can ask me and I will share with you.